Me wallah miss me Dubai guys.
Subscribe to my channel and also press
You
this
live in
bell icon.
Afghanistan?
Yes me. What is your name? What is your name?
Muka.
بس شی وشو خدوستان موکا در بکم په دې خله باندې یو سوق کوا دی ورته ان شاء الله موکا می او وی لف وی سنگل وی سنگل You single?
You are single?
Yes, me single.
Of course, I'm always single. I don't like to be taken. I always like to be single. You know why? Because I don't like commitments. I don't like every day to eat apple. No, I like one day apple, one day orange, one day banana, one day,
Yes,
you know,
1
like
minute.
this mix.
Yes, of course. Anta go Paris. Me Paris go.
You are in Paris?
Yes.
Me, I just traveled to London before 10 days.
Yes, no problem. London, my Amsaya, Padosi.
After Eid, I will go Switzerland.
Switzerland? Yes, go. Arupa ar mamlakat go, me hazir.
Tika.
Take. Very nice.
What is your length?
Huh?
What is your length? Height.
Height. Wallah, me height beautiful. 100. We have to say
189.
707, 8.
107.
8.
Good. Me, 165 centimeter.
Yes, no problem. Anta small.
Not small. Good, yani.
Yani
Girl
good,
should
good.
be little short
Wallah.
than boy.
Me? Yes, Anta.
You want to see my dress?
Dress?
You want to see my dress?
Yes, of course. Beautiful.
Yes? Okay, allow it. I will show you my dress now.
Yes, very nice. Beautiful. Wow.
Of course, very nice. Of course.
Yes,
Wait, ya habibi, wait.
Today خزي کار در کیږي ان شاء الله.
يا ربي.
کار وش. بودای
كيف
نه
بدي
خبر دی.
أوري my dress هذا.
Yes.
See my dress? Okay.
Very nice. صدقه دې شم خدایا. باس وش راز. Beautiful. باس. يا بويا پزله مې د سناري چپاره ازینو بدي روجا کې.
Guys, الجولة لا تروح جحفلوه.
Yes, no problem. جحفله no problem. ما زړه باندې دوره والله ما زړه باندې دوره.
What is دوران mean?
يعني ما زړه duck.
You are duck?
No, my heart duck.
Your heart boof too much?
Yes, of course.
Why?
Very nice, beautiful والله. أنت جسم beautiful. أنت heart beautiful. أنت
Your money beautiful حبيبي or you don't have money?
Yes, money big والله money big. خلاص دانو.
This is okay.
Why? Money لا كونا وركه كمال راكه ده نسالي لوري money problem ما مي لازم يا money.
Of course you should have money. You are the man. How king without money?
money مي لازم money big بالختي دك. Yes.
Because me buy too much makeup, buy too much bags.
Yes, of course.
See, like this one is Chanel.
Yes. Money big, money. My
What is your car?
car. من وس خرګاډي کې ګرځو دا کار کوم می چلولو ته نه راځي می کار نو پسند والله
No car?
می کار نو پسند می
What
ټرین
you have, bicycle?
سړی لري دا
What is your car?
my car یار افغانستان کار ورما ایدر نو ورما سبا لا گاډي واخلم یار لري
You cannot drive?
yes my brother drive me drive no
Why?
no me والله drive نه راځي
Come, I will drive for you.
huh
I will drive for you.
yes انت drive
Yes, this is my
yes
car.
of course خو موږ مخکې سیټ کې وته drive beautiful we
Me, this one Nissan Patrol. Dubai, I have Range Rover.
me car پسند no my brother car inshallah ta'ala eat but
You know, you are the first Afghanistan guy in my life and you are the last one.
Why?
You are the first Afghanistani guy in my life and you are the last one. Yani no one will come after you.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. You are very nice. Of course. Anta speaking beautiful. Anta. Hey, why?
You like this one?
Very nice, beautiful. Yes, of course. Very, very nice. Nice. One speaking.
When we will go Paris?
Yes, Anta go Paris. My Ipsi hotel. Where's the hotel workshop? Go chai restaurant.
You know speak English good, صح?
Yes, my 50% and no 20% English. Wallah.
Alas, every time we speak, we use Google Translate.
Yes, of course. Anta Snapchat warma.
Yes, I have Snapchat.
Yes, send me inbox. Okay.
You send for me inbox. I don't send for you.
Why no?
Because you are the man. You should start the conversation, not me.
Dajina kai wa badi rupo pa se kona warakai ka khairi. Yes, of course, no problem. Me send me. Okay. Yes, me my brother Saki.
Your friend?
Yes, my brother Saki.
This is your brother? Yes, your brother.
Yes, my brother.
Why your brother like this?
Wala kada chapi more like a kissing problem who hard. Shirta chewe. Line send me.
No problem. Kiss.
Hey, why me are we kissing?
You are man. They don't kiss you. Me girl.
Huh?
Kiss ya habibi, kiss.
Hey, Habibi, kiss. Why me are we kissing?
You want what?
Me or you kissing? We kissing haram.
No, not haram. In front of people, not haram. Alone, haram. Mishari, welcome.
Wala katawala chapi warle ki Saki.
Why you are angry?
Why angry? Heart send me. Heart send me. Line send me.
I was lion. Mishari sent for me lion. You know, yesterday I got 11 lion.
11. Yes, of course, no problem.
You know, too much problem.
Tazo jina ko.
Sad. Who make him sad? Khalas, don't kiss. This one, don't kiss. Go. Every day you open this time?
Dadi mala khudai pa goto rakino.
Sadiq.
Mani pa de kona raw basam. Nasari lori. Yeah.
Khalas, tomorrow I will play with you, okay?
Inshallah. Snack chips send me, no problem.
What is your snap? Give me. I will send for you now message. Give me your snap.
My snap. Huh? Waliuallah Saif Zada.
Huh?
Tara ka wajida tha. Wala ka no request wana kai daga zamuno. Waliuallah Saif Zada. Raka da nasari bachiya che shelala biya botale. Raka da chula bachiya. Zaman gururi na gwadi che mangdi. 1 minute. Oh, the nasari bachiya waliuallah. 1 minute. Yes.
Khalas, I will say you send it to me on direct, okay?
Okay.
Yalla. Bye.
Bye.